finally get to Central Lima. Been out here for a while, and yeah, I just been relaxing, man. Been enjoying my time here, and I'll say I haven't been doing as much exploring as I should be, but we're gonna change a little bit of that today. So we here now, we're in the cab, the Uber, and we're going to the, where we going?
Central Lima.
Central Lima. And we're gonna walk around, discover some stuff, see what's up. It wasn't easy to get a ride. It's a lot of confusion. I guess a lot of them cancel on you at this time of the day. We don't have any more issues. Get there, show you what we can show you. All right? Let's see, we need to get closer. Welcome to Central Lima. Today we're gonna go exploring this historic area, show you the vibrant streets, colonial architecture, walk the streets and show you some of the vibes out here. And we're starting off right here in Plaza Mayor.
Bienvenidos a Lima.
Okay, so we're just gonna continue on walking here in this section of the park. This park is not always open. So today we looked up, it's open right now during the day. During the evenings, I think it's a different look, but we looked up right now and it's warm, but not too warm. You take a break, you'll cool off, but the weather's been really good today, so we appreciate that. And from here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go around and just show you kind of like just the vibe of this whole area here. You can see the churches, old architecture buildings here. Very European vibe, in my opinion. Looks a lot like Europe. If you just saw this alone, you'd be hard pressed to say that we were in South America. All right, let's continue walking, and we'll show you a little bit more of this side, leaving from Plaza Mayor de Lima. It's nice out here. Got a very European feel, but I got this with the selfie stick, so I'm watching a few things over there, and yeah. Cool. We out here with the full frame on a selfie stick. Let's check it out. Gusta the Pisco sours. Sí. She likes to drink them, boy. She told me there's a restaurant around here that has the best Pisco sour, and since we're here, we're gonna check it out. Okay, we're in Parque Muralla, all right, and we're gonna check this out. This is Central Lima, totally different feel from Miraflores, and it's a lot of buildings, a lot of old architecture. But first, we're gonna check out this park and then see what this is about. All right. Got the Louvre vibes a little bit. It's a nice park. Some of the original stuff out here. They also have a lot more of this type of architecture in other parts of the city. Okay, so this is the Pisco sour here. It's the best pisco sour in the city. So, cheers. It's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's better than the other ones I've had so far. Sí, es muy bueno. Sí, sí, sí. It's very smooth. That top layer right there. This top layer right here is real frothy. It's what you want in your drink. Sí, bueno idea. Bien aquí. Sí, gracias.
Es uno de los mejores pisco sour que hay en Lima. Ah, más fuerte.
Sí.
Okay. Yo pensé que muy despacio.
No. You say?
Que yo hablo muy bueno. Es uno de los mejores pisco sour que hay aquí en Lima, en el Hotel Bolívar. Es muy rico.
Okay. You heard it there. She said, here in Hotel Bolívar, they got the best pisco sours in Lima. There's a lot of traffic out here. Sí. Mucho tráfico.
Y tenemos que ver Perú, Venezuela. ¿Qué haces eso?
¿Por qué? Porque todo el tiempo.
Ya no voy a hacer eso ya.
Dime. It's a Tuesday night. You got the police on, but there's a lot of traffic. Everybody's trying to move. It's a packed with people. My God, for Lima today. Lima, Peru. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I got a lot more content coming soon.